Hey, hi everybody. Today we're going to learn how to draw a flower together. I think that'd be pretty fun. So first, put our circle in the center, just like that. And now we're going to draw a bunch of petals around the circle. I'm going to keep going. Then I'll come back in and fill in the rest. Wow, this flower looks pretty crazy right now. So I'm going to add in some more petals, because a lot of flowers we see have a whole bunch of petals on them. Yeah, stick it in just like that. Wow, this is looking pretty good. Now I'm going to draw the stem. It goes all the way down into where the grass would be, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to give it some color. This looks pretty good. Now I'm going to color every other petal, and then I'll come back in and fill in the other ones to give it a different vibe, a different look. You guys can use whatever colors you want. I'm just using orange. Now I'm going to use a purple or a blue and go in and fill in the other petals, every other petal. Yeah, this is looking really good. Now where do the bees like to go? Into the center where all the pollen is, so I'll color that yellow. Now I'll color some of the leaves on the stem green. Whoa, that looks great, just like a flower. Thanks for watching and following along. Hope your flower looks great too. See you next time.